POPOfroo.
It's one bunny sweet, hearing an egg, what a treat.
One bunny.
Two, it's two piggies high, flying in the sky.
Oink, oink, oink. 1, 2 piggies.
Three penguins, sliding on ice, what a chance.
1, 2, 3 penguins.
Four monkeys cheer, swinging branches far and near.
1, 2, 3, 4 monkeys.
Five Santa sing, dancing on ice in a jingle ring.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Santas.
Six ladybugs, fly so high, buzzing softly through the sky.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ladybugs. 7 bees go by, buzzing near the sky. And the garden, what a view, making honey, yum too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 honeybees.
Eight frogs jumping high.
Fo.
Oh my, oh my.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frogs.
Nine giraffes so tall, smiling big above us all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 giraffes.
10 crocodiles play, splashing water all the way. Clap your hands, dance and spin, counting fun will never end.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 crocodiles.
Count again. Let's all sing 1 to 10.
Laugh and jump, hooray, hooray! Learning's fun in every way. 1, have some fun. 2, how are you? 3, dance on feet. 4, have ice cream more. 5, jump up high. 6, happy kids. 7, love from heaven. 8, you are great. 9, you are mine. 10, a big fat hen. Welcome. You want to learn numbers? Come on. 1. It's 1, 2, T, W, O, 2. It's number 2. 3, T, H, R, E, 3. It's number 3. 4, F, O, U, R, 4. It's number 4. 5, F, I, V, E, 5. It's number 5. Good job, kids. 6, S, I, X. 6, X, number 6. 7, S, 10 little duck, yo ho. Once again. One little duck, two little duck, three little duck, four little duck, and more. 5 little duck, 6 little duck, 7 little duck in row, 8 little duck, 9 little duck, 10 little duck, yo ho. Ten little vegetables jumping on the bed. Lady's finger fell off and bumped her head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 9 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Bottle cord fell off and bumped his head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 8 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Pumpkin fell off and bumped his head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 7 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Cucumber fell off and bumped her head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 6 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Brinjal fell off and bumped his head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 5 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Cauliflower fell off and bumped his head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 4 little vegetables jumping on the bed.
Broccoli
Fell off and bumped her head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 3 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Tomato fell off and bumped his head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 2 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Potato fell off and bumped his head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. 1 little vegetable jumping on the bed. Carrot fell off and bumped his head. Mama Giraffe called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables jumping on the bed. All 10 vegetables lying on the bed. Be happy and enjoy the sleep. One little fish says, swim with me. 2 little fish says, hippy, hippy. 3 little fish go round and round. 4 little fish makes bubbly sound. 5 little fish go wiggle, wiggle, wig. 6 little fish thinks real big. 7 little fish say splash, splash, splash. 8 little fish makes a shiny flash. 9 little fish swim in a line. 10 little fish says feeling fine. 11, 12 fish twirl and play. 13, 14 swim all day once again. 1 little fish, 2 little fish, 3 little fish, 4 little fish, 5 little fish, 6 little fish, 7 little fish, 8 little fish, 9 little fish, 10 little fish, 11 little fish, 12 little fish, 13 little fish, 14 little fish, 15 little fish, 16 little fish, 17 little fish, 18 little fish, 19 little fish, 20 little fish. Yay! Like, share, and subscribe.